What to do if you fail at something? Yes, you heard me right. You will get access to a lot of information, knowledge, and advice about how to get successful at something, how to get successful at life, how to get successful at particular thing, or how to achieve particular score at an exam, or how to succeed in life. But you will not find what to do after failing at something. Believe me, it is a very, very hard phase to overcome the failure. And I have gone through it. That is why today I am making this video. First of all, the first stage after the failure is the denial, the grief. Yes, because whenever you are determined to achieve something and you are very dedicated towards it, so after spending a lot of time to achieve a particular goals, if you fail at that thing, you first of all you feel very numb, you feel completely blank, because a lot of emotions are coming at the same moment in your mind, and it makes you feel overwhelmed, it makes you feel irritated. And even irritation is the first stage. But if if you have spent a lot of time, if the goal was very dear to you, and if you have spent all of your energy, your time, and your dedication towards that goal, then first of all you will feel completely numb. You will feel that you can't get out of this, and you are unable to do even the simple things, even the simple routine things. You feel it is very hard after facing the failure. So, the first thing to do after facing a major setback in your life is acceptance. First of all, you just have to accept. I know in the first phase, it will feel very hard to accept, but you just have to completely accept and have to tell your mind that okay, it has been done. It is the reality that you have failed this, and you can't change anything about it. So second thing is, you if you will accept it, believe me, you will get to you will second thing is, after accepting that you have failed at this, you just have to make your mind remember this one thing, that this failure does not equal to failure in life. If you have failed the exam, if you have failed at an interview, if you have failed to achieve a particular promotion, or if you have failed to achieve a particular order, or if you have failed for a business, please don't equal it to the failure at your life, because life is beyond one failure. Sometimes what happens, if we have put our all energy in a particular goal, we tend to forget about other aspects of our life. Our life is not dependent on only one thing, be it a career, be it our study, or be it our business. Our life has different aspects. Even you just have to consider, for example, consider your life as a big plate where there is one main course and there are many side dishes available. If you have failed at something, just think that it was a side dish, and you can focus on the other things also. The main course in your life always should be yourself and your health. Never take your health as a side dish in your life. Third thing is, never try to escape. Sit with the reality. Because most of the time, what happens whenever you fail at something, you just try to get out of it immediately. And in order to get out of it, you will try to choose wrong things. And it is very likable, it is very easy that you will take the wrong decisions in order to get out of the current reality. So please don't try to jump to another things immediately after failing at something, because it will further ruin your mental peace. fourth thing to do is just try to concentrate more on yourself. Just try to spend more time with yourself. Just try to spend some time quietly with yourself and try to know about yourself, like what is your hobby, and if you have particular hobbies that you can pursue immediately, then please try to spend some time with doing the things that is your hobby. It will put you in a higher level of energy and you will gradually try to forget the failure. And fifth, and the most important thing to do after failing at something is remember that you have many more options available to you. So at that time, you just have to figure out your skills. You just have some skills that are inherent and they have been always there into you. So you just have to write down. If you need to journal, then keep journal. If you have to write down many pages, then keep writing down pages. If you have to ask to the people in your immediate surrounding, then ask them that what is that one skill that which you are very very good enough that you can leverage for yourself and you can make a career out of it. So please follow these 5 steps, and please do me a favor, comment down below that which of the steps is very helpful to you, you find helpful, and what is that major failure that you get to out of it.